So this is a video I've made to kind of talk you through how we're going to go about answering our quiz questions for our week 1 quiz, just in case there's any confusion. Be sure to read carefully the directions that are provided with the quiz, like, if your answer is a fraction, don't change it to a decimal, leave it as a fraction. 1/7 would be typed as 1/7. If your answer has an exponent, say 5x squared, use the caret key. And that would be 5x caret, which is shift 6, 2. If your answer has a numerical value, then all you need to do is give the numerical answer. If the answer is 2, don't type it as x equals 2, but rather just 2. So just for instance here, if I preview a question on this week's quiz that's not a multiple choice question, one like this might be most confusing. Question 3. So obviously we're going to factor this by grouping, and this is going to be one binomial times another binomial. Now down below the question, I say be sure to report the binomial with the larger second term first. So let's say you decided this factored down to x plus 6, x plus 2. Then in this first blank, you would type an x. In the second blank, as the directions tell you, answer 2 is the operation, so plus, I forgot my example, x plus 6, x plus 2. So in the third blank, you'd put the bigger of the two constants, and that would be 6. And then your next polynomial you decided was x plus 2, so you'd type x, and then your operation, and then your 2. So again, answer 1 is the first term of binomial 1. Answer 2 is the operation of binomial 1. And answer 3 is the second term of binomial 1. And the same for binomial 2. Just make sure you follow the instructions. In this case, the first binomial you report should have the larger second term. That's why I put the x plus 6 first, because 6 is bigger than 2. Let me know if you have any questions.